difference a day made. 24 little hours, like the sun and the flowers. Since that moment of bliss, that thrilling kiss, my yesterdays were blue, dear. Today I'm a part of you, dear. My lonely nights were through, dear, since you said you were mine. Lord, what a difference a day made. You sing it, girl. Huh. There's a rainbow before me. You go, girl. Skies above can be stormy. Since that moment of bliss, that thrilling kiss, it's heaven when you, yeah, I'm talking to you, God in Friesland, huh? Found romance on your menu. What a difference a day made. Well, that's so true. And that difference is you. Ladies of Jazz. Dankjewel. We're in een feestje because it's gonna be too darn hot. Are you ready? Come on, Yvette. It's too darn hot. Gaan we even hier achterlangs. It's too darn hot. I'd like to sup with my baby tonight. Refill the cup with my baby tonight. I'd like to sup with my baby tonight. Pick the boat with my baby tonight. My brother, you'll find my baby tonight. 'Cause it's too darn hot. It's too darn hot. It's too darn hot. I'd like to cool with my baby tonight. Pitch the wool with my baby tonight. You know what? I like to cool with my baby tonight and pitch the whoop with my baby tonight. And brother, you find my baby tonight 'cause it's too darn hot. According to the latest report, every average man you know must prepare this lovely dog to cook when the temperature is low. 'Cause when the thermometer goes way up and the weather is sizzling hot, Mr. Pants for romance is not. 'Cause it's too darn hot. Hot! It's too darn hot. Hot! It's too darn hot. That's true. Wel, publiek hier in de zaal. Hebben er een beetje zin in? Het is een feestje, laat je horen. Noorderwind live met Willem. And the Grand Ladies of Jazz. Well, let's do some sketch. Shall I start now? Come on, Yvette. Hey, come on. The Grand Ladies of Jazz. You sing it, girl. Like to cool with my baby tonight. And pitch the wool with my baby tonight. I like to cool with my baby tonight and pitch the woo with my baby tonight. And brother, you find my baby tonight 'cause it's too darn hot. According to the latest report, every amorous man you know must prepare this lovely dog at the court when the temperature is low. Wow. 'Cause when the thermometer goes way up and the weather is Mr. Gob
for his squad,
a Marine
for his queen,
a GI
for his cutie pie is not. 'Cause it's too darn hot.
hot.
It's too darn hot.
It's too darn hot. It's too darn hot.
It's too darn hot.
Go on, girl.
It's too now
hot. Too darn hot. Yeah. Things have come to a pretty pass. Our romance is growing flat. For you like this and the other, while I'll go for this and that. Goodness knows what the end will be. Well, I don't know where I'm at, for it looks as if we two will never be one. Something must be done.
you say neither and I say neither. You say either and I say either. Neither, 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 neither. Let's call the whole thing off.
Well, if I like potato and you like potato, I say tomato and you say tomato. Potato, potato, tomato, tomato. Let's call the whole thing off. But oh, if we call the whole thing off, that we must part. But oh, if we haven't part, then that might break my heart. So if I like pajamas
And I love pajamas.
I'll wear pajamas.
You get the pajamas.
For we know we need each other, so we better call the whole thing off. Let's call the whole thing off. Well, yeah. Het is zo gezellig hier, hè.
Zo gezellig.
Noorderwien, Omroep Friesland. I'm liking Willem hier.
Waar
Yeah.
kom je eigenlijk vandaan?
Willem,
Waar kom jij eigenlijk vandaan?
wij komen uit Amsterdam. Well, let's do some scat for you. Ha! Skabba-da-beep-beep-beep-beep. Skabba-ba-beep-boo-boo-boo-boo-boo. Yeah! Yvette, come on. But oh, if we call the whole thing off, then we must part. But oh, if we ever part, then that might break my heart. So if I wear pajamas,
And I like pajamas.
I'll wear pajamas.
You get the pajamas.
For we know we need each other, so we better call the whole thing off. Let's call the whole thing off. Let's call the whole thing off. Well, wij zijn de Grand Ladies of Jazz. Morgen Baron Theater op Ende. En tussen 2 en 3 bij Baron Java in Groningen. Well, we're gonna say bye-bye, Yvette. The
See you
Grand Ladies of
tomorrow.
Jazz. Alright, signing up. Ha! Scoo, skaboo-boo-boo-boo-boo. Skaboo-boo-bee. Ta-da-da-da-da-da. Ta-da-boo-bee-boo-bee-boo-bee. Sa-doo-boo-bee. Sa-boo-boo-boo. Ja-boo-boo-bee. Sa-boo-boo-bee.